Hello everyone, welcome to the best product review channel on YouTube. When buying any products, it can be challenging to find the most value for money item. To make your purchase decision easier, in this video we analyze hundreds of products and picked only the best tools for you. Please subscribe to our channel for more guide and check out the description box below for product links and updated prices. So, without any delay, let's get started. In this video, we break down the top 5 best camping multi-tool you can buy right now. We made this list based on performance, features of the product, value for money, manufacturer's reputation, and most importantly, actual user feedback. So, if you choose from this list, you can be rest assured that you are buying the best camping multi-tool on the market this year. Before we start, I have a question for you guys. Which best camping multi-tool are you currently using and which one you recommend? Let me know in the comment. So, let's go for top 5. Our number 1 choice is LEATHERMAN Versatile Multi-Tool for DIY. Whether you're fixing things around the house, going on an outdoor adventure, or needing a reliable EDC tool, the Wave Plus is a top choice. Despite its full-size design, the Wave Plus is compact enough for everyday carry, EDC. Comfortable grip, designed for prolonged use without discomfort. Compact size, 4 inches closed, fits easily in a pocket or tool pouch. Comes with a durable nylon sheath, provides protection and easy transport. Compatible with Leatherman pocket clip, allows for convenient belt or pocket carry. Whether you're using it at home, in the workshop, or on a hiking trip, the Wave Plus is easy to carry and ready for any challenge. The LEATHERMAN Wave Plus is designed to handle a wide range of tasks with its 18 built-in tools, making it a perfect all-in-one solution for various situations. Our second best camping multi-tool is Gerber Gear Suspension-NXT EDC Multi-Tool. If you're looking for a budget-friendly, compact, and highly functional multi-tool, the Gerber Suspension-NXT is an excellent choice. Gerber is known for making tough, long-lasting tools, and the Suspension-NXT is no exception. Made from high-quality stainless steel, ensures durability and rust resistance. Solid locking mechanism, keeps tools securely in place during use. Spring-loaded pliers, reduce hand fatigue for extended use. Sleek and lightweight design, weighs only 6.7 ounces, making it easy to carry. Compared to bulkier multi-tools, the Suspension-NXT is compact without sacrificing durability or functionality. The pocket clip adds to its portability, making it ideal for those who prefer quick and easy access to their tools. One of the biggest advantages of the Gerber Suspension-NXT is its user-friendly design. One-handed opening. Easily access the knife and other tools with one hand. Spring-loaded pliers. Makes gripping easier and reduces strain. Slim profile. Fits comfortably in pockets without being too bulky. Secure pocket clip. Keeps the tool safely attached to your pocket or belt. Unlike some other multi-tools that require both hands to open, the Suspension-NXT is designed for quick, single-handed use, making it more convenient in emergency situations or when multitasking. Designed for everyday carry, EDC, survival, camping, and DIY tasks. This multi-tool offers practicality and reliability at an affordable price. Whether you're an outdoor enthusiast, a handyman, or just someone who loves. Number 3 in our list is BIBURY Multitool Stainless Steel Multi-Tool. One of the standout features of the BIBURY multi-tool is the incredible number of tools included. Unlike basic multi-tools that offer just the essentials, this one is designed to handle a wide range of tasks, from small repairs to outdoor survival. Needle nose and regular pliers, great for gripping, holding, and twisting objects. Replaceable wire cutters, perfect for cutting electrical wires and cables. Saw blade, helps cut through wood, plastic, and other materials. Sharp knife blade, ideal for slicing, cutting, and general utility tasks. Scissors, strong and sharp, suitable for cutting paper, fabric, or thin plastic. Multiple screwdrivers, includes flathead, Phillips, and hex screwdrivers for various repairs. Bottle and can opener, a must-have for camping and outdoor adventures. Whether you're using it for home repairs, outdoor adventures, or emergency situations, this tool set has got you covered. The BIBURY multi-tool is crafted from high-quality stainless steel. Fourth recommendation in our side is RoverTac 14-in-1 multi-tool camping tool. If you're looking for a versatile multi-tool that offers more than just pliers and knives, this is one of the best choices available. It's well built, practical, and makes an excellent gift for anyone who loves the outdoors. Portability is crucial for a multi-tool, especially for camping, hiking, and travel. Fortunately, the RoverTac multi-tool is compact and easy to carry. Lightweight and portable, fits easily into backpacks, toolboxes, or emergency kits. Includes a durable nylon sheath, protects the tool, and makes it easy to carry on your belt or gear bag. Secure locking mechanism, prevents accidental opening, ensuring safety during storage and use. Its compact size makes it ideal for everyday carry, EDC, whether you're out in the woods, on a job site, or at home. Mini axe, useful for chopping small branches, splitting wood, and emergency survival situations. Hammer, perfect for driving in tent stakes, nails, or minor repair work. Knife blade, a sharp stainless steel blade for cutting rope, food, or general use. Saw blade, great for cutting small branches and wood. Phillips and flathead screwdrivers, handy for repairs, tightening loose screws, and quick fixes. Bottle opener, a convenient feature for outdoor trips. Last in our top 5 best camping multi-tool list is MOSSY Oak Stainless Steel 19-in-1 Camping Multi-Tool. If you're looking for a versatile, durable, and feature-packed multi-tool, this is one of the best options available. While it may not replace specialized tools for heavy-duty tasks, it's an excellent all-in-one solution for emergency situations, everyday repairs, and outdoor adventures. Portability is a key feature of any multi-tool, and the MOSSY Oak Multi-Tool is designed for convenience. Lightweight and compact, fits easily into pockets, backpacks, or glove compartments. Durable nylon sheath included, provides extra protection and makes carrying easy self-locking system. Ensures tools stay in place during storage and use. Whether you're heading out on a camping trip, fishing adventure, or just keeping it in your car for emergencies, this multi-tool is easy to bring along anywhere.